In this video, let's see another previous year IIT JEE question which was based on the concept of trigonometry and inverse trigonometry as well. The question basically involves the use of trigonometric formula and also asks us to remember the previous formulas we used and their application part too. Let's see what the question has to say and let's get started with the solution. Let's read the question together. If cos x plus cos y plus cos z is equal to 0, which is also equal to sin x plus sin y plus sin z, what is the possible value of cos minus wherein cos x minus y upon 2? So basically with the two equations given to me such as cos x plus cos y plus cos z equal to 0 and sin x plus sin y plus sin z equal to 0, I have to compute the possible value out of the four given options of the expression cos x minus y by 2. Now, I already know two equations are given to me and I have to use those equations to obtain the final answer. Let's start with the solution. The solution would go about in this manner. Let's first write the two equations given to me by manipulating them so as to choose certain things which will help me later on. Cos x plus cos y plus cos z equal to 0 can be written as cos x plus cos y is equal to minus cos z. Similarly, the second equation sin x plus sin y plus sin z equal to 0 can again be manipulated as sin x plus sin y is equal to minus sin z. Why are we doing this? We are basically obtaining two new equations and we'll be using these two new equations in a manner as equation 1 square plus equation 2 square. What happens? Let's see. First equation whole square would be what? It would be cos square x plus cos square y plus 2 cos x cos y. That means a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So let's write down cos square x plus cos square y plus 2 cos x 2y, 2 cos x cos y. First equation left hand side square has been done. Second equation left hand side square would be what? Sin square x plus sin square y plus 2 sin x sin y. Let's write it. Sin square x plus sin square y plus 2 sin x sin y. This is about the left hand side. What about the right hand side? Put the equal to sign and then again follow the same thing, do the whole square and add. It becomes minus cos z whole square, which is cos square z, and here it becomes sin square z. So it is cos square z plus sin square z. Now everybody knows one formula, which is what? Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Let's write a formula and then we'll apply it. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Since it is a formula, we need to put it in a box. Let's use this formula wherever we can. I have cos square x. I also have sin square x. So both these terms will give me a 1 because cos square theta plus sin square theta as per the formula is 1. Similarly, I have cos square y and sin square y added up. So again both these things will give me a 1. So 1 plus 1 becomes 2. So let me write that 2. And what about 2 cos x cos y and 2 sin x sin y? Both these added up, you take 2 common. It becomes cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. What about the right hand side? The right hand side has cos square theta plus sin square theta. That means cos square z plus sin square z, which is also equal to 1. Some manipulations done, some things better for our interest. Here it is 2, here it is 1, 1 minus 2 is minus 1, and 2 in the multiplication becomes division to the right hand side. So ultimately we have cos x cos y plus sin x sin y is equal to what? Is equal to 1 minus 2, which is minus 1 upon 2. Now, what is the formula of cos A cos B plus sin A sin B? We know that cos A cos B plus sin A sin B is what? It is cos A minus B. So, cos A minus B means what? Cos the first term minus the cos second term. That means cos x minus y. So, it is nothing but cos x minus y is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now, let us see what the question had to say, what we were supposed to find out. We were supposed to find out cos x minus y by 2, and we have the answer as minus 1 by 2. So, now let us see what the question has to say. It is cos x minus y is equal to minus 1 by 2, but we are supposed to find not cos x minus y, rather cos x minus y upon 2. So, that means we need a half angle formula. And what is the formula of cos 2 theta? Cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. So, we will be using this same formula, which is also called as half angle formula for cos, and we will be applying it to the last step that we did. Cos x minus y is equal to minus 1 by 2. So, it becomes what? Let us write it down here. So, it becomes cos theta is given. That means if 2 theta is replaced by theta, then theta will be replaced by theta by 2. So, it is 2 cos square x minus y upon 2, 2 cos square x minus y upon 2 minus 1 of the formula. So, it is minus 1, which is equal to minus 1 by 2. So, which is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now, minus 1 of the left hand side goes to the right hand side, becomes added up. So, 1 minus 1 by 2 is what? It is 1 by 2. So, it is 2 cos square x minus y by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Now, 2 is being multiplied, it becomes divide in the next case. So, let us remove this 2, and it goes downwards for 1 by 2 and it becomes 1 by 4. So, let us change it. Now, the question was cos x minus y by 2, we have the square. So, let us take the square root. So, it is cos x minus y whole upon 2 is basically nothing but what? Under root 1 upon 4, which is 1 by 2. So, the question has the solution as what? It has the solution as 1 by 2, and let us check which option out of the 4 is 1 by 2. So, it is basically option number A as 1 by 2. Let us see again what we did in this question. This question is a bit lengthy one. The question was out of 2 equations we were given, we were supposed to find out the value of cos x minus y upon 2. 2 equations were given, took one term to the other side, squared the equation, added the equation, got till here cos x minus y is equal to minus 1 by 2. But had the question been only cos x minus y, the solution was finished. But we had to use half angle formula for x minus y upon 2. Use this formula, cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. Solved it further, we have finally cos x minus y upon 2 is equal to 1 by 2.